Here are our eBay package I'm gonna box right now. Yeah, 3 more coming in. The other 2 won't like come in until like later in this month. So no boxes. Might not even be till January. But we'll see. Bought stuff from China again for cheap. Hopefully they're in good condition. It's gonna be a long ass video. Fucking tape mess there. My God, it's fucking ridiculous. Barely get it off. Sorry if I wasted 2 minutes of your fucking life, but there we go. Almost. Oh my God. There we go. Let's open the other side up. Has an excessive amount of tape. There we go. Dude's paper. With a lot of vintage light bulbs. So some very nice vintage Sears 7-watt night light bulbs. Looking like they're in good condition. Here's some 40-watt 130-volt crap HWI candelabra light bulbs. They're nice though. At least it lasts a little longer. It's a 15-watt. Never had a 15-watt before. General Electric candelabra bulb. Don't know the voltage. I'll show you another time. It's a GE appliance bulb. Glad I'm getting vintage light bulbs. Like, these are getting hard to come across these days. Here are some vintage GE bug light bulbs. Let's take a closer look at them. Yep. These are General Electric. Very nice condition. Here's a Westinghouse bug light bulb. I'm going to test all of these. Hopefully they'll all work. The seller said they were all untested. Here's a GE. Here's a GE 15 watt. That's the light bulb. Came in a small package. It's cute. I like these. They're good for accent lighting. They're 120 volts. I barely have any 15 watt bulbs in here. These all worked, and I'm surprised. It's a GE 40 watt light bulb. Maybe that's in. There's 505 lumen bulbs are getting hard to come across these days. They're made for commercial use as well. But that's a 40 watt. Here's some GE 60 watt incandescent bulbs. They're nice. So another one of these. Some GE crystal clear 100 watt incandescent light bulbs. One of them's 60 watt again, but it's getting hard to come across what these uses. Not every bulb is like the same. The original seller said some of the bulbs were missing, but there's 100 watt. Got a lot of these now. Here's some safety action tungsten 60 watt light bulbs. Yeah, these are action tungsten safety 60 watt incandescent light bulb. So these are general service lamps actually. They're not like, maybe they are commercial service or whatever, but they seem to have higher lumens than average. I like these. They seem well made. Another one of these. Same one. Yep. So far, every bulb has been came in good condition. Some GE bug light bulbs. More of those. The package all fuck Detroit though, sadly. Like, should have been taking better care of the anyways. Don't know the brand. That might be a GE. But it's not the original bulb. Oh, it's a different type of bulb. Never heard of that brand, but it's nice. Never had a 75-watt bug light bulb before. It's a GE. That might be a 40-watt. Let's see. Oh my god. Let's see. That's a 60-watt. Don't know the extra brand there, but these are not all not all original, but it doesn't matter. Here's some GE Miser energy saving light bulbs. They're not that much efficient in general 60-watt bulbs, so these are still inefficient, but they're good. It's another GE 40-watt incandescent. GE 60-watt incandescent. Our GE 60-watt. This another 60-watt bulb frosted. So there was no Miser GE bulbs in there. Here's some GE ones again. 100-watt. At least we got 100-watt incandescents. Yeah, you can still buy incandescents off of eBay. Just don't list it as incandescent or they'll just spam them. Another 100-watter there. Here's some more GE 60-watt incandescent light bulbs. They all came in good condition. There's like no glass flying anywhere. There's some more of those 60-watt light bulbs. Good condition. They're all in good condition. So there's nothing else in the box. Yep, that's it. I unboxed all of the light bulbs. Thanks for watching.